Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix volume button not working on WhatsApp on iPhone. So guys, if you are experiencing issues with the volume button not working specifically in the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is check system's volume. Ensure that the volume on your iPhone is turned up. Use the volume button on the side of your device to increase and decrease the volume. After this, then you have to do is test volume in other apps. Verify if the volume buttons work properly in other applications. Open the music app, YouTube, or any other app that use sounds to see if the volume controls are properly functioning properly. After this, then you have to do is restart your WhatsApp. Close the WhatsApp app and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and may resolve any temporary glitches. So you have to simply open your WhatsApp and close it and try opening it again. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone device. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After this, then you have to do is update your WhatsApp. Ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to App Store. Now go to Profile, scroll down and go to Update tab and check if there are any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then simply update the WhatsApp to its latest version. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check mute switch. Ensure that the mute switch on the side of your iPhone is not turned on. If the switch shows an orange color, the phone is in silent mode, so you have to simply disable it. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do reinstall WhatsApp. If the issue persists, you can try deleting the WhatsApp and installing it from the App Store. Make sure to back up your chat history before doing this. To do this, you have to simply tap and hold on your WhatsApp. Now tap on Remove app, tap on Delete app and delete the WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the App Store. After trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.